Right?
I do want a dry day. Didn't get it yesterday, and
No.
depending on where you are right now, you're probably not getting it.
Probably not. Once again, it's like the second or third day in a row that Franklin County in particular has seen the chance of thunderstorms come in and hit right around this time, 5, 6, 7 o'clock. The worst weather at the moment is just north of us. We'll get you there in a second, but know that everybody in central Ohio is under the threat for severe weather through about 9, 10 o'clock. Once the sun sets, things are going to settle down, but getting there could be a bit dicey in spots with hail, some heavy rain, and some flooding and winds being possible problems. So we'll get you there. Take a look outside. This is how things appeared right now in downtown Columbus, whereas about 20 minutes ago, a little downpour rolled on through town. We're not under the immediate threat of severe weather in Franklin County, but at any time, some of those storms could pop up. And again, the main area we're concerned about now is just north of Franklin County. Let's take a look at the potential impacts for this evening. Flooding is possible, hail and strong winds. Tornado is not out of the question, as we always kind of cover it, but looks like it's on the very low end with a couple other ingredients coming into place, which are focusing our attention in these three categories. Right now, the severe thunderstorm warning for Union County has been taken down, but Woodland, Richwood, and Prospect, that's up 23 north of Radnor, an area that got hit last week by some severe weather. We are looking at the continuation of the area of the red and the yellows and the oranges. That's simply downpours and some hail, but going over the same spots again and again. I would not be surprised if there's a heightened flooding concern in this area because of the slow movement of the storms and the heavy rain sitting over the same area. We are seeing some heavy rain, but it's not sitting over the same area around Franklin County. A couple of showers south of Dublin, headed over toward Powell and Westerville and Worthington, and a thunderstorm right now moving northeast of New Albany toward Johnstown in Licking County. The larger picture right now, aside from those two areas, north and central, we're looking at just a couple scattered thunderstorms coming in off of the higher elevations around Bell Fountain. This is the area that we're going to watch for continued development moving to the east, and the threats will be the same with hail, wind, and rain. Right now, the hour-by-hour forecast is doing a good job of showing some of those cells north and central and south moving to the east. Second area back here, kind of congealing coming together. Wind would be the primary concern with those storms this evening, but 9, 10 o'clock, things settle down. Evening forecast does allow for those storms through about 9 p.m. We'll dry things out and it'll go 77 degrees by 11 p.m. and the moderating temperatures continue overnight, but will be dry. 60s and 70s and 80s by lunchtime tomorrow. A bit more sun today and only the slightest chance of a downpour or rumble of thunder. Notice the coverage tomorrow much less than we're dealing with right now, and that trend continues into Wednesday and Thursday. But with each passing day, the threat of a thunderstorm will come back into the picture, and we'll see the first heat wave of the season with at least three 90-degree days in a row coming up, and that starts on Wednesday. Your forecast for tomorrow shows a warm and dry start. Temperatures back into the upper 80s to around 90 degrees. A very slight chance of a late day storm. A bit of a better chance on Wednesday. Thursday, 20% chance, but 92 degrees. Heat and humidity really get going. Probably the most dangerous and the hottest day will be Friday, when the heat index could be close to or above 100 degrees. Saturday to Sunday, we're going to cool things down, relatively speaking, and also carry the slight chance of a shower or storm. And then we'll finally see moderating temperatures back in the right direction, mid-80s by the end of your 10-day forecast. And again, just a quick reminder, severe weather threat through about 10 o'clock tonight. Right now, there are no severe thunderstorm warnings, but we'll be the first to let you know if one pops up in the next 60 minutes.